Who is known as father of artificial intelligence AI? A. Winsef. B. John McCarthy. C. Christopher Latham Scholes. D. James Gosling. Winsef, American computer scientist known as the father of internet. John McCarthy. He was a great computer scientist. John McCarthy regarded as the father of artificial intelligence for his contributions to the fields of computer science and AI. Christopher Latham Scholes developed QWERTY keyboard. James Gosling. Java was created at Sun Microsystems by James Gosling's led team of researchers. The correct answer is answer B, John McCarthy. Which out of the following helps in quickly help you rename a file or folder? The options are A. F10, B. Ctrl Z, C. F1, D. F. F10. F10 key is most often used to activate the menu bar. Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z is used to undo an action. F1 opens the help screen. F2 allows to rename a selected file or folder. The correct answer is answer D, F2. Second generation computers are made up of A. Transistors, B. VLSI, C. Integrated circuits, D. Vacuum tube. Transistors. The computers made in the second generation were completely based upon transistors. VLSI. VLSI full form, very large scale integration. Microprocessors were developed using LSI and VLSI. The computers of fourth generation used VLSI. Integrated circuits. The computers made in the third generation were based upon integrated circuits. IC is a small device that can contain thousands of devices like transistors and resistances and other circuit elements. Vacuum tubes. The vacuum tubes technology was used by the first generation of computers. The correct answer is answer A, transistors. Portrait and landscape are models of dash in Microsoft Word. The options A. Font styles, B. Page borders, C. Page size, D. Page orientation. Font styles: regular, bold, italic, bold italic are the most common font styles for different fonts like Arial, Impact, Times New Roman, etc. Page borders. In MS Word, a page border gives a page border around the page. Examples: solid line, dotted line, dashed line are made of various objects like flowers, balls, etc. Page size. The default page size in MS Word is 8.5 by 11 inches. The size is not fixed. You can change it if you want a document with a different size. A4, A5, folio are some examples of paper size. Orientation. The two basic types of page orientation are portrait vertical and landscape horizontal. The correct answer is answer D, page orientation. The number of pixels displayed on a screen is known as the screen dash. A. refresh rate, B. Color depth, C. Aspect ratio, D. Resolution. Refresh rate. It counts the number of times the display fully refreshes every second. Color depth. The number of bits used to indicate the color of a single pixel. Aspect ratio. Aspect ratio of an image is the ratio of its width to its height. Resolution. The number of distinct pixels in each dimension that can be displayed. The correct answer is answer D, resolution. What material is used in making computer chips? The options: A. Zinc, B. Iron, C. Silicon, D. Copper. Silicon is the basic material used in computer chip. A microchip or computer chip is a set of electronic circuits on a small flat piece of silicon. The correct answer is answer C, silicon. In computer terminology, OCR full form: A. Optical card reader, B. Optical character recognition, C. Online computer reader, D. Offline computer retrieval. OCR. OCR is the electronic or mechanical conversion of images of typed, printed, or handwritten text into machine-encoded text, whether from a scanned document, a photocopy of a document. The correct answer is answer B, optical character recognition. A word in a web page that when clicked opens another document. The options: A. Hyperlink, B. URL, C. Anchor, D. Reference. Hyperlink. Hyperlink is a reference to data that the user can follow by clicking or tapping. Types of hyperlinks: text hyperlink, image hyperlink, bookmark hyperlink, email hyperlink. Text hyperlink uses a word or phrase to take user to another page, file, or document. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, address of a resource on the internet or a file stored locally. Anchor, it is a piece of text which marks the beginning and or the end of a hyperlink. The correct answer is answer A, hyperlink. Which function key is used to check spelling? The options: A. F5, B. F7, C. F2, D. F11. F5. F5 refreshes the current web page. In MS Word, F5 key will open the Find and Replace window. F7. F7 is used to spell check and grammar check. F2. It is used to rename a highlighted icon, file or folder. F11. Full screen mode on and off in modern web browsers. The correct answer is answer B, F7. Correct answer is answer B, F7. B, F7. Who created the C programming language? The options: A. Dennis Ritchie, B. James Gosling, C. Robin Milner, D. Ken Thompson. Let's discuss. C program language developed in 1970s by Dennis M. Ritchie at AT&T Bell Laboratories. James Gosling. Java was created at Sun Microsystems by James Gosling's led team of researchers. Robin Milner. He developed a theoretical framework for analyzing Conference systems, the Calculus of Communication Systems, CSS. Ken Thompson, designed and implemented Unix. The correct answer is answer A, Dennis Ritchie. C program developed in 1970s by Dennis M. Ritchie at AT&T Bell Labs.